Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Let's Learn. Guys, today we are going to learn contractions part 2 and we can also use contractions with here, there and that. So let's begin it. Now see, today's topic is contractions of here, there and that. Now in that first is here is, then contraction is here's. Here is yours. Here is yours. Now let's see the example. Here is the kitchen and here is the bathroom. One more time. Here is the kitchen and here is the bathroom. Can you all guess which are the contractions? Well, there are two contractions. One is here and second one is here. It will become yours and this also become yours. Now let's repeat with this. Here's the kitchen and here's the bathroom. Now in a natural speed, here's the kitchen and here's the bathroom. तो यहाँ पर देखिए here's के साथ बोलते समय हम कितना स्पीड से बात कर पा रहे हैं. Now to the next. There is. The contraction is theirs. There is theirs. Here is pronounced z and here is was pronounced s. Okay. Now let's see the example. There is a great pub in the village. Okay. Now find out the contraction. So it is here. It will become theirs. Now let's repeat with this. There's a great pub in the village. One more time. There's a great pub in the village. आप मेरे साथ भी repeat करिए. Now in a natural speed, there's a great pub in the village. There's a great pub in the village. Okay. Now let's move to the next. There would. इसका contraction होगा there'd. There would, there'd. Okay. हमें example देख लेते हैं. If people drove less, there would be less pollution. Okay guys, चलिए contraction बताइए इसमें कहाँ है? Okay, here. There would. It will become there'd. Okay, let's repeat with this word. If people drove less, there'd be less pollution. Now in a natural speed. If people drove less, there'd be less pollution. Okay? तो इस तरह से हम रिवाइज करेंगे. Now next. There will. इसका contraction होगा there'll. There will. मेरे साथ बोलिए. There will. There'll. One more time. There will. There'll. Now let's see the example. If you come early, there will be more time to talk. चलिए इसमें से contraction बताइए. तो यहाँ पर है, इसे कहेंगे therein. Okay guys? अब इसके साथ हम बोलेंगे slowly. पहले slowly हम देख लें. If you come early, there will be more time to talk. एक बार फिर से देखें. If you come early, there will be more time to talk. Now in a natural speed. If you come early, there will be more time to talk. One more time. If you come early, there will be more time to talk. Okay guys? इस तरह से आप practice कीजिए sentence में. Now next is that is. इसका contraction होगा that's. क्या होगा? That is that. that is, that's. Okay. Now in sentence, that is my house over there. चलिए अब कंट्रैक्शन ढूंढ लेते हैं. कंट्रैक्शन कहाँ पर है? तो यहाँ. ओके गाइस, चलिए अब इसे हम लिख लेते हैं. That's. Okay. Now let's repeat with this word slowly. First we will try slowly only. That's my house over there. That's my house over there. Now in a natural speed. That's my house over there. That's my house over there. तो देखिए बोलने में कितना अच्छा लग रहा है, क्योंकि स्पोकन इंग्लिश में हम ये कंट्रैक्शंस बहुत ही यूज करते हैं और इससे हमारा स्पीड भी बहुत अच्छा हो जाता है बोलने का. ओके, तो चलिए इसे आप अच्छे से लिख लें और प्रैक्टिस भी करें. एक बार हम इसका रिवीजन ले लेते हैं. मेरे साथ साथ बोलिए आप. हियर इज हियर्स. हियर इज हियर्स. देयर इज देयर्स. देयर इज देयर्स. देयर वुड therein. There would therein. There will therein. There will therein. That is that's. That is that's. Guys, we often use some contractions with WH words, means question words in spoken English. So let's see this. Now in this, first is whom is. The contraction is whose. Who is whose. Who is whose. Now let's see the example. Who is that man over there? Let's find out the contraction. So this will be. Now whose. Let's repeat with this word. Who's that man over there? Who's that man over there? Now in a natural speed. चलिए अब natural speed में बोलेंगे. Who's that man over there? Who's that man over there? Okay. Now let's move to the next. Whom would. It will become whom. Whom would. Whom. Whom would. Whom. मेरे साथ रिपीट कीजिए. Now in the example, whom would like some tea? Whom would like some tea? In this, the contraction is whom would. It will become whom. Let's repeat with this word. Okay. Who'd like some tea? Who'd like some tea? Okay. Now let's move to the next. Whom will. It will become whole. Whom will. Whole. Whom will. Whole. Now let's see the example. Who will be here tomorrow? Let's find out the contraction. Okay. So this is. It will become whole. Now let's repeat with this word. Who'll be here tomorrow? Who'll be here tomorrow? Now in a natural speed. Who'll be here tomorrow? Who'll be here tomorrow? Kindly repeat with me. Who'll be here tomorrow? Okay guys? Now let's hear. What is. It will become what's. What is what's. What is what's. Now let's see the example. What is for dinner? There are two sentences. What is for dinner and what is your name? So you can see the contraction is your and your. This will become what's, and this also will become what's. You can see what's for dinner. What's for dinner? Here, what's your name? What's your name? You can say, what's the matter? What's the trouble? This way, we use what is. What's. Okay? Now, last. What will? What will? It will become what till. What will? What till. Kindly repeat with me. What will? What till. Now let's see the example. What will happen if there would be no food? One more time. See, what will be happen if there would be no food? Can you see here which are the contractions? Guys, there are two contractions. First one is what will, and the second one is there would, which we had learned now only. Okay, so it will become what till, and it will become there it. Okay guys, let's repeat with these words. What will happen if there would be no food? One more time. What will happen if there would be no food? Now in a natural speed. Okay guys? See, what will happen if there would be no food? What will happen if there would be no food? Okay? Now let's revise this. Who is whose? Who is whose? Whom would who'd? Whom would who'd? Who will who'll? Who will who'll? What is what's? What is what's? What will what'll? What will what'll? Next is how is. The contraction is house. How is house. Kindly repeat with me. How is house. Let's see the example. How is your father? Let's find out contraction. So, here is. This will become house. Now, let's repeat with this word. How's your father? How's your father? Now, let's move to the next. Where is? The contraction is where's. Repeat with me. Where is where's. Where is where's. Let's see the example. Where is the nearest shop? Where is the nearest shop? Let's find out the contraction. Then this is. It will become where's. Now, where is where's. Let's repeat with this word. Where's the nearest shop? Where's the nearest shop? Okay guys? Now, next. When is. When is. It will become whence. When is whence. Let's see the example. When is your birthday? When is your birthday? Now find out the contraction. Then this is. Okay? It will become whence. Let's repeat with this word. When's your birthday? When's your birthday? Now in a natural speed. When's your birthday? When's your birthday? Okay guys? Now let's revise this. How is house? How is house? Where is where's? Where is where's? When is whence? When is whence? Guys, please note it down कंट्रैक्शंस टॉपिक कंप्लीट नहीं हुआ है। हम नेक्स्ट वीडियो में और भी सीखेंगे इसके बारे में। पर तब तक अगर आपको कोई भी डाउट हो प्रीवियस कंट्रैक्शंस पार्ट 1 में या इस पार्ट 2 में, तो प्लीज कमेंट करें। डू लाइक, शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब, एंड फॉर फर्दर नोटिफिकेशन हिट द बेल आइकन। स्टे होम, स्टे सेफ।